So team 3, too fast to be furious. They're a group of friends who have become closer since their last entrance into the Redbull Soapbox race, which was 2 years ago. I think if memory serves me correctly, they finished 9th overall that day. So they have experience, they're from the Cotswolds, and Tim will be the pilot. They're all petrol heads as well, hence why they designed this particular soapbox. It's a replica of Paul Walker's Toyota Supra from the Fast and Furious movie. And it's 420 meters from top to bottom. It's one of the steepest courses in soapbox history. It's an 8.5% average incline from top to bottom. We'll look for the speed camera later on. You can score 3 ways here: creativity, performance, and of course speed. And the train tracks are the first thing that the soapboxes go over, then the water, and they're nice and quick through there. Lots of concentration on Tim's face, and the wedge posing no problem either. Now we pick up the speed. Now we start to think about the speed gun. Smile if it's over 25 miles an hour. The bone rattler's not causing a problem for them either. 33, this is a really good run. Big smile on the face of the camera. There's the kicker, really spectacular, over the finish line. 35.3, and into the straw bales at the end. That's what they're there for, folks. Fantastic run by Too Fast to be Furious. They will be delighted. It was fast at the top, fast in the middle, fast at the bottom, and the obstacles posed absolutely no problems whatsoever. Fantastic work by Tim behind the wheel, and big air over the kicker to finish. Spectacular. Just look at the height.